Welcome students to Week 1 and Unit 1. This unit will cover Chapter 4 in your Essentials of Health Information Management textbook. And make sure you distinguish between the lab manual and the textbook, because different assignments will be out of the lab manual. So in this unit, you will be learning the fundamentals of a patient record. You'll be able to summarize the purpose of the patient record and then provide examples of administrative and clinical data. This unit will also cover documentation issues. You will also go through different record formats and storage methods for the patient record. So now what I want you to do is to create your EHRGO account. Okay, I have the website here. So when you get in there, you're going to select subscribe in the upper right corner, and then you're going to enter the following HIT student program key, which is S64W47, and then make sure you follow the on-screen instructions to create your account and then apply your subscription. Now keep in mind there's a guide in there that you can follow, and also at the beginning of the unit I have instructions that helps you get around with EHRGO. Now there's a couple of different things with your subscription. Either you can get it through the bookstore or you can directly go to EHRGO account. But make sure if you do go to EHRGO website that you get enough weeks to last you all semester. So then your next thing, you will have an EHRGO orientation. If any questions, please contact me on this week's content.